Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian, Daniel, and friends. If you are interested in a session with Daniel or any of my classes, retreats, or journeys, please check out the links down below. Got several things coming up. We got Egypt, we got Iceland, we've got a channeling class, all kinds of fun things. So come check it out. Go to traciemahan.com or go to the links that are in the description box. Thank you so much. And let's go get Daniel. Find out what he has to say for the energy coming in right now. It's a time for understanding, isn't it? Working so hard to get to the new earth, to get to a new level of frequency, a journey for each individual here, moving towards their own wonderful ascension, but also looking collectively at humanity for their ascension, and for globally everyone getting to the new earth and exploring and celebrating in a new way of being human. You are all here on a very special journey, a very special quest and experience. Many of you have been working very hard in the etherical realms, clearing energy and the ley lines and resetting the crystal grids, working with inner earth, working with the waterways and the water lines and the veins of the earth. Many of you have been on a journey for healing, for working with humanity and healing, working with your hands, working with your voice, working with your ability to share and tune in and be in the beautiful energy of another, helping to guide and direct and heal, comfort, and explore options, realities, new ways of being. We applaud you all for your journeys here. They are extraordinary ones. And we say this all the time. To be here on Earth right now, you are some of the most advanced souls that there are. You have come into a world of duality to work through many, many uncomfortable situations, challenges, family lives, stories, things that you have been through and endured. And you set these things up in your path so that you could become the person that you are today, listening to this video and stepping into your ascension, becoming that which you have always wanted to be, the version of yourself that is kind and compassionate and loving. You have picked families and bloodlines to come into to help heal their karmic lines, and that is being accomplished and is complete as you have stopped the karma, and you are healing the karma and have healed the karma. And many of you are on their journey now to self-heal from these experiences, to bring the body, the mind, the soul, the spiritual body, the auric fields all back into alignment. And it's because you know how to do it. You know how. This is not your first time. You are part of an ascension collective, and you are helping, and you are doing a great job of bringing this planet and humanity into its next level, to helping souls that have been on loops for many cycles to remember that they can move beyond that now, that their reincarnation cycles can end and they can now move into a higher frequency. They can now move out of the third dimension and try a different experience, if you will. Many of you have been on the same loop and you have graduated out of that loop, and now you are here to help others do the same. And then others of you are here from other planetary systems, other collectives, starseed collectives, star beings that have move their essence, their consciousness into a human form so that you could also be here to help move and redirect this energy. And it is an extraordinary time for everyone to be here, to move these energies, to create something new, to be in a flow like humanity has never seen before. There's been times on your planet where societies have evolved. You have had Atlantis, you have had Lemuria, you have had Egyptian life, ancient Egyptian lives. Many of you have been in those cycles. Many of you have been in those transformative times. But this is the first time in this planet's history of getting to the evolution and the ascension that it is at today. And so we are very grateful for all of you, for all your hard work and what you've been doing, as this ascension process will bring the entire system of your galaxy and the ripple effect into the multiverse, into something it has never been in before. Everyone is anxiously awaiting for this to take place, to see the evolution of it in its whole, in its entirety. And it is a very wonderful, special time to be here. And as you all step forward in this time, you know it is the time that you came here to be in. You know that it is the time that you have come to be part of the transition into New Earth. All the work that you have already done to prepare for now. And now the reassignments are happening to move you into the next level of understanding so you can bring humanity there. The next level of comprehension of the new Earth and what it entails, what it will take to evolve fully and completely into it. And you'll become the teachers and the way showers. You will be the leaders in so many ways for humanity. You'll write books, you'll speak, you'll talk, you'll share, you'll teach, and you'll bring humanity into its next level of understanding. And you'll bring humanity into its fifth dimensional existence. And you'll bring humanity into its full and complete healing of the third dimension. It is time to pay attention, follow your guidance, and to get clear with your path in all of this. And we thank you all for being here with us. We thank you for your courage and your strength and your understanding and your willingness. And we thank you all for what you do. And to remember, you cannot do it wrong. And to remember, there is nothing you have to do. Just follow your heart. Make the choices that feel right for you. And you'll be on the right path. And we thank you. With great love and gratitude, we will bring you back Tracie now. Okay, that was such a journey for me as we go into that, looking at our transitioning and what we have all done so far to get here, and the journeys we've been on, our lifetimes that we've been on. A lot of people have chosen to come into families that needed help with their karma and healing that karma, and have taken on a lot of things in their lifetimes to do that and to stop abuse and bad behaviors. And so it's been a really big trip for a lot of people. And this is a time that we need to celebrate that that was successful. We did that. We were able to create closure to a lot of these karmic loops and abuse and behaviors. And I know as you look at the world, you might think, no, that's still going on in so many places. But we are looking at now the ripple effect of that. And we got to give that ripple time to get out there into the planet and reach everyone. And we continue to send the love, and we continue to send out those boundaries that this is no longer acceptable this is not going to happen anymore. And we set those boundaries with love and with beautiful intentions. As we move forward and we reach that fifth dimensional frequency, we reach that new earth and we set a new standard for ourselves and for humanity and for everything moving forward. And with great love and gratitude to you guys, thank you for being here. Don't forget to hit that click or hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and click the like button. And let's help spread these messages all around the world. Let's share the videos. And I love all your comments. Thank you for your sweet and wonderful comments. I do read them. I try to get back to each of you whenever I can. Thank you for all of your time that you spend watching the videos and commenting and sharing. I appreciate you all so much. And with all of that, my sweet friends, I will say my goodbyes until the next video. Bye-bye.